Anambra State. That's how we were born. I put out that challenge. I'm a hearing miracle. Everyone will have pastor. Everyone will have nothing on the ground. They have power. But I got a little doctor. They have not been with anti-death. I don't know. I have another number of the number. The one more has started the word of Yahweh. The one more has started the smoke. I don't say what I need. What I need. Okay, that's what I need. Let the people go more than 2,000, more than 10,000 people. Okay, the Nawara. Beyond the entry levels, we have people. Come on, people. Come in our board. Why not? More than a room. Because the health is about to open an people. We're not against Omenala. Omenala and people have robbed. Omenala and people who should have kept them. Omenala and people. Average of broken. Omenala and people. Average of Omenala and people. Average of you know what I people who should have kept them. Oh, Kabuka, nothing like a good stuff. Who can we make a best animal? Yes, we're live in Limbuka de Yahweh. On the life, I have a taco. Oya Kati, all the Yahweh. Okaramo, Okaramo, just on a fire, but I got an able. Oil channels. Appear. All the men of people scroll. Life. Well, God bless you. God bless you. I have a taco. I tried the mother. Oh, no, channel also. About a we are back. God bless you. Power. All the Yahweh. Yeah, no life. No use it. Come God bless you. I want to be out tomorrow. That's a close call. Why not? I don't make you say. You say. I'm not sure. Ala boy to en wala wo ri bubuti e On Sunday, I know people score. I have a program. Saturday night, I have a program. After that, I'm going to so I have a better people score. I have a better people score tomorrow. I have a one. Forget offering, forget get tight, forget ACD. Yeah, all the miracle man, I'm a fake prophet. He has spent $1 million to make sure never that if I go to get away. If I never want to talk about before, I'm a look at 2000. If I won't to ever make miracle in that place, I'll go there. That was 2000, yeah, 4 years ago. So, but I depend on keep that time now. Come on, get back and I'm going to go to the table and bury anyway. Yeah, I'm going to go on. I'm going to go on. I'm going to enter it. Where is the future here? Most way, Sarah, so we're best. Let the doctors look at that. That is challenge of healing. It's not also. I'm going to go to it. I'm going to go power. I'm going to go now. If I say, but that's not it. You can't have just an hour. You may do what I am. I'm not what I am. I get maybe that one. I'm going to five. But I don't know. Five. And if you feel pain, I don't go hospital. No sickness will go. It's never a miracle like that. And I never went. What is that one hour? But that's that 1 hour. I don't come proof for you. Not that 1 hour. This is the solution. I get made confirm that. You go to the school now. I get made I never get that before. That was in 2020. I saw him off you. I want you to go to I saw him off. I saw him tight. You have a couple one. anyị believe na Bible, 10 commandments. Onye ọbụla ga-egosi anyị ebe moto ebu na misana. Onye ga-agbata pastor or reverend father or bishop. Ada gosi anyị ebe Bible dụrụ, ebe gosi anyị ebe Chineke sa ife worship ụbọchị Sunday, ọ ga-ebu moto ala. Onye ọbụla ga-egosi nwaanyị ebe Chineke sa ife worship on Sunday, abụrụ Saturday, ọ ga-eburu moto ala. Ọbụka ga na ife a ọbụka ga na ife a ọkwa ndị bụ ga na ife a you dey pray ọbụrụ wayo that pastor na Saturday abụọ dị ọdị lọd ihe abụ ihe masị na anyị na-ekwu eji eti na mkpọrọ o ji esi na ọ bụrụ na ọ pụta na ndị Igbo a ga-efesi Mary again a ga-efesi arụsị ndị ọcha again because ihe bụ slavery ndị isi butere anyị abịa ka akụziri ha ihe bụ the door of worship now the covenant of God ọ bụrụ onwe esi na ọ bụrụ Saturday na Sunday ọtara pastor si ya kpụrụ polisi bịa akpọta ndị amị bịa bụrụ moto a gogosi anyị ofu ebe dịrị Sunday etu ma egosi ya more than 10 places asị ọ bụ na i worship on Saturday you will do what? You will perish. Ihe abịa bụ eziokwu ihe eji moto adị atụ challenge ụrụ ma gara na moto ka ndị atụ challenge onye pastor si abịa nwunye na moto that pastor na-asụ sosi si ya no David Yahweh na ọba alive all the way from Lagos na-esi ya bịa ka ọ bịa challenge David Yahweh ka o buru moto ebe gịnị ya bịa challenge David Yahweh with the Bible ebe gịnị ya gosi anyị ofu ebe asị worship on Sunday buru moto ọ bụ na ogosi nwaanyị mana ọ bụ gịnị any pastor who do not keep some command day he said let me tell you many people are worshiping Sunday. Jesus will see, they don't want to tell you. Jesus is from Nazareth.
So tomorrow say but after 7 days on Sunday o me kwa be ke go shula and Saturday